Yes, it is normal for water to be present at the outdoor termination of an air conditioning condensate drain line when the system is running. When an air conditioner runs, it removes moisture from indoor air and channels that condensate through the drain pan and out the condensate drain line to the outdoors. Expect intermittent flows and steady dripping while the system is actively cooling, especially during humid weather or long-run cycles, because the coil produces more condensate as it cools warm, moist air. Check that the drain line slopes downward from the unit without sags or traps, and that the outdoor termination is unobstructed and positioned to discharge away from the building envelope to avoid pooling near the foundation. Periodically flush the drain with warm water and a quarter cup of distilled white vinegar or a manufacturer-recommended condenser-safe cleaner to reduce biofilm and clogs. Do not use bleach in long runs because it can degrade some plastic and rubber parts. If you have a secondary safety float switch or condensate overflow switch, test it by lifting the float gently to confirm the air conditioner shuts off and then resumes when the float is lowered. For long sections of horizontal piping, insulate the line where it passes through unconditioned spaces to reduce the chance of condensation dripping elsewhere and to keep the condensate confined to the intended path. Common mistakes include assuming any water equals a leak, which can lead to unnecessary repair calls. Recognize steady dripping at the termination during operation as normal and inspect for wetness elsewhere to identify true leaks. Another issue is a clogged or slow drain caused by biofilm and debris. Use regular vinegar flushes and, if needed, a soft plumber's snake or compressed air applied from the indoor access point to clear blockages, and call a technician if you cannot clear it without forcing fittings. A third concern is improper drain slope or standing water in the pan, which can indicate misinstalled piping or a damaged pan. Correct slope to ensure gravity drainage, and replace or repair the pan promptly to prevent corrosion and overflow. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who are available for condensate line and air conditioning work, and helps contractors find new projects and leads. We also host a discussion community where we, our members, and contractors exchange practical tips and share real experiences about managing condensate lines and routine maintenance.